Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the topic where did the workers come from the chapter Age of Industrialization. Earlier in this particular chapter we have dealt with that how Manchester goods came to India and spread all over the India and affected the Indian weavers. Then we have discussed that how the Indian industrialists or Indian traders invested in the process of industrialization in the start of 19th century. Now, as the time passes, industrialization paced up and started faster production in India. As this production or increased, or we could say the number of industries increased in our country, the requirement of labor have also started increasing. Now, it becomes very difficult to secure job in initiation of the 20th century when the demand of workers are more than required. Now, what happened? Due to industrialization, the number of industries increased and the demand for workers have also influenced positively, or we could say the demand of the workers have extremely increased. Now, there is a data that in the year 1901, the required number of workers in the factory, Indian factories were 5,84,000 only. But in between, in the year 1946, this requirement in the Indian factories for the workers have increased to 24,36,000 approximately. Now, from where these much of workers are coming? Generally, workers used to come from the neighboring villages or neighboring areas. So, workers come from the neighboring districts mainly. So, actually 50% of the, if you talk about that 50% of the workers working in the Bombay cotton mills, they generally came from the neighboring district called Ratnagiri, and workers from workers for the mills which are established in Kanpur or which are producing in Kanpur, they basically comes from the neighboring district or Kanpur district itself. So basically at the start the workers started coming from the neighboring villages, but yes, soon the news of employment spread to the different parts of the country. People started coming from various districts away from the mills as well. So the workers were demanded, but now the question is, though due to industrialization demand for the workers have increased, but still what we have seen that still it is very hard to get the job in the factories. Why? Though there is a huge demand in the industries for the worker, but still the number of unemployed workers or unemployed people is huge who are ready to work in the factories. So what is to say that the number of employees required is lesser than the available workforce in our country. Why? Because there is no such job in the villages. Already we people are struggling with the disguised unemployment there, and so people started moving for the new jobs in the cities. Now, what happened with the workers who are working in the seasonal factories? So mill workers moved between village and the city. In the peak season of production, mill workers used to be in the cities and do the job or do their work in the factories, and when there is a dull season, when there is no such production in the factories, they move to villages and take care of their farming land, or they look after the agriculture process. Now, for appointment of the workers, it was very difficult job for the factories also to appoint the employees or appoint the workers. So the factory owners have decided to appoint a recruiter for them, and in that time that recruiter is known as jobber. That time the recruiter is known as jobber. So jobber's duty is to find out the suitable candidate for the factory. What is the duty? To find out the suitable workers for the factory. So basically these jobbers are supposed to visit various villages, communicate with the people and find out the best possible employee or worker for that particular production unit. Now eventually, in initial days or starting, the things were pretty good. These people went to their villages and find out the best and suitable workforce for the factory. But later on it was found that these jobbers started demanding bribes, or you could say they started demanding gifts and other financials from the people to whom they are going to provide the job in the industries. So it again becomes a matter of corruption later on. But yes, it is very honestly to say that though the industrialization occurring in our country, it becomes very difficult to get job for everyone still. Why? Because the workforce is comparatively greater than the increased demand of the workers in India due to industrialization. So this is the whole process or whole concept of how and from where the workers have been collected or how workers are coming. So basically the workers, the main thing to remember in this particular session, that due to increase in the number of factories, the demand for the workers have increased, and most importantly the jobbers has been appointed for recruiting the workers from the neighboring villages, because the employees are or the workers are basically coming from where the neighboring villages or districts or neighboring areas of the factory where it is established. So this is all about this. Make sure that for the board examination this chapter is not relevant for this particular year, but for 2020-21, but it is very important for the periodic test and all. So make sure you are preparing it nicely, and if you have any query, just write down in the comment box, and you can WhatsApp me in the WhatsApp group also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.